Hey besties, welcome back. I have decided I wanted to work on some long form content, so here I am with a mini spring vlog. This season is passing so fast. I don't know if it felt that way for you too, but I literally blinked and we're here. I only did one small shopping haul this month, so we'll unpack that together. These items are from Marshall's, one of my favorite stores. I always find Hello Kitty gems there, and I love that. I don't know why I didn't read the packaging, but when I started to unpack this blanket, I realized it was so much bigger than I expected. So that was actually a bonus, it being all extra snuggly and all. The rest of the items were too cute, and I had lots of fun opening them up and getting a better look. I can't wait to show you my snacks and crafts, but first, please enjoy a little unpacking ASMR and let me know which items were your fave from the haul. Besties, I know I always offer you pizza when we make it, but this time I included a short video. I always call a corner piece. Which one are you choosing? I restocked some hair clips for one of the shops and started working on my future pop-up. I love all the colors I used in this batch so much. Would you wear any of these? I just love them, and I love making adorable memorabilia and custom items. Doing drop offs are the only time I'm not inside with loved ones. It's like a mini adventure when I go to the shops. Okay, so I used the most absolutely magical spring Hello Kitty bowls we unpacked earlier from Marshall's for keychain making. I love sorting things to facilitate my work. I hope you enjoy some desk ASMR. As seen earlier, I made some resin bears that we will be using to create keychains. I used blends of glitter, shimmer powders, and more to create these little cuties. Here is a top view, besties. Please note my appreciation for Roz. Roz is one of my favorite squishmallows to comfort not only my emotions but my wrist as well. I use my tools to make sure I am as stable as I can be while I drill. I'll show you a few examples and we'll have some fun crafting together. Now that the bears have a hole, I will go ahead and assemble them into a keychain. I really hope you're enjoying my mini spring vlog so far. I'd love to make one each season. Let me know if you'd like that too. As most of you may know, I love taking walks, especially by the water. I'm so happy I can finally start enjoying the outdoors as the warm weather approaches. Thank you all so much for joining me for my season's highlights. Love you all so much, and I will see you soon. Have a wonderful day, besties.